Well, thank you so much, Max, for the opportunity. As you said, I'm Jeff Seymour, Executive Vice President for Economic Development for the Greater Oklahoma City Chamber, representing a real plethora of public, private, research, and community partners who've been working together for many months on this grant. And I'm also really delighted to welcome Madison Jackson, our project manager for this grant as well. So before diving headfirst into the bioscience conversation, I want to provide a quick important overview of the Oklahoma City market. Located in central Oklahoma, the Oklahoma City regional economy consists of a 10-county regional area, including the Oklahoma City MSA and 3 additional counties. This region functions as a single labor shed and since 2005 has been growing at about twice the national average related to population. The region includes, among many other assets, both of Oklahoma's public R1 research universities, the University of Oklahoma and Oklahoma State. From an economic standpoint, though traditionally known for energy production, the Oklahoma City region has dramatically diversified in recent years into many other economic sectors, including aerospace, manufacturing, back office and IT, national defense, and of course, healthcare and bioscience. In many ways, the Oklahoma City region operates as the state's hub for healthcare and bioscience technology outcomes. This investment in bioscience is not a recent phenomenon. Since 2005, partners throughout the 10-county region have been deliberately building a model of public and private collaborations to build new research, commercialization, and product manufacturing in the market. Today, much of this work is physically located in the Oklahoma City Innovation District, which serves as both the home of Oklahoma City's research and healthcare megacenter, but maybe more importantly, the cultural home of many elements of Oklahoma City's Black and African American culture. Though we have seen success in building out this cluster, we see certain trends related to NIH funding, patent production, and product manufacturing flows that point to more the market can do to build out the space moving forward. Couple this with tremendous opportunities domestically to link Oklahoma City to larger metro hubs to continue to build out pharmaceutical manufacturing capabilities that meet the needs of the U.S. bioproduction market. So to meet both of these needs, both filling gaps and sourcing for opportunity, the Oklahoma City team has proposed 2 tracks of investment in the regional bioscience economy. First, strategic investments to scale the output of commercialized technologies within our existing institutions, creating new third spaces for researchers to develop IP in a commercialization-friendly environment and support new outreach into more diverse populations to increase health outcomes. We see a tremendous need, like other markets have mentioned on these calls, to also create more entry and exit points for bio-entrepreneurs to interact with the market, including more diverse entrepreneurs. This investment track also allows for more products starting in Oklahoma City to stay in Oklahoma City long-term, which has been a gap we've been trying to fill. Finally, we know that in order to build a bigger bio cluster, we'll also need more and diverse labor to fill these new skills required for both current and future job openings. One of the elements I'm most proud of when reviewing this work is that longstanding community partners, including the Oklahoma City Black Chamber, Latino Community Development Agency, and the Chickasaw Nation are actively involved in the nuts and bolts of this work and the strategic efforts moving forward. So to accomplish all of these goals, we see buckets of work falling into several key categories. First, new bioscience startup programs. Second, new product development within a bioscience incubator and a core facility to be located on the campus at the University of Oklahoma. Third, creating more testing and commercialization outcomes at translational research labs and the expansion of clinical trial networks, which currently exist within our Stevenson Cancer Center and reach into many diverse populations. Undergirding all of this work is expanded capabilities to track scientific data and samples with additive equipment at the OSU's Oklahoma State University Biorepository and Biocomputing Facility. Supporting these functional areas is new investments in a workforce training center following NCTM standards and an updated statewide bioscience organizational framework to support these efforts, the efforts of the industry long term. As a region, we see tremendous opportunities for additional public, private, and philanthropic partners to continue to build out this space and look forward to answering questions about individual projects or the cluster as a whole.